Once your tinctures have set for 8 weeks, then what do you do? Stay with me and I'll show you. First, start off by giving them a good shake. You should shake them real good once a day for at least 6 weeks. Some people will only go 2 or 4 weeks, but I'd like to make 100% sure all the constituents of the herb is completely out and penetrated into the alcohol. I do use these amber color canning jars with plastic lids. This keeps me from having to keep them in complete darkness. I have found that if I keep them in regular clear jars, I tend to forget to shake them up every day. If they are in amber colored jars, I can have them sitting out where I can see them, and that reminds me to shake them up every day. The plastic lids are good because the metal jar lids will rust with the alcohol touching it. You can get around this by putting a piece of parchment paper under the lid before screwing it on. I have a bunch of other supplies here with me. I have this metal funnel that comes with the tincture bottles. This funnel makes it very easy to get the liquid into the amber colored tincture bottles. I also have these amber colored storage bottles. I have all types of amber colored storage bottles. I purchase what is a good price at the time when I'm looking for them. I also have a bowl, a funnel, and a towel. This is a cloth towel made specifically for tinctures. It is a bit stained just because several of my tinctures have turmeric in them, and turmeric stains badly. If you don't have these types of cloth strainers, don't worry. You can use a clean cotton t-shirt. Just make sure you use it for this purpose only and not reuse it for something else later on. I'm placing the cloth into the strainer. I'm going to try and use this same cloth for 2 separate tinctures, so I'm just going to use one corner for this particular tincture. Oh yeah, you will also need a way to label your tincture bottles. I have found that masking tape is great for labeling. It stays on and it's easy to write on. The tinctures I am bottling today are for coughs, memory, immunity, and stress. Once you have the bottle emptied into the cloth strainer, grab it and twist around the top. Squeeze all the liquid out. Any herb that you have left over in the cloth you could put into your compost pile. I like to fill up an actual tincture bottle, and this is what I will use from, and then I put the rest into a storage bottle. I can refill the actual tincture bottle from the storage bottle when needed. Make sure all the bottles you use are completely dry. You do not want any water or moisture getting into the tincture. Make sure to store these in a cool, dark, dry location. If you do this correctly, these tinctures can last indefinitely. It is medicine on your shelf for the rest of your life. In an SHTF situation, wouldn't it be nice knowing you have this ready to go when you need it? Yes, the negative is that they taste horrible, but the positive is you can make tinctures for almost any health condition. As a prepper, making herbal medicine is just another piece of the bigger puzzle to becoming completely 100% self-sufficient. What tinctures are you currently making? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.